Alright mga katrops, welcome back to our channels. In today's episode, maglilinis na tayo mga katrops. At magdodonate tayo ng mga sobra nating mga gamit. Tingnan itong gano'ng karami yung gamit. Ito yung ayaw ko pag naglipat eh. Yan o, gano'ng karaming gamit yan. Ito, sa basement pa lang yan mga katrops. Yan pa sa loob ng CR, ang washroom. Ito pa o. Yan, magdodonate tayo sa value village ng mga hindi natin kailangan gamit. Ayan po, ang daming gamit to. So yan, Marley, let's go. We're gonna pack it up, the things. This is what you call that, packing up. Ayan, nalinis na natin yung storage. Pero meron pa tayong matitirang iba dyan. Kasi itong mga to, donate natin itong mga kapops. Para makatulong naman tayo. Ayan o. Ayan, gano'ng karami. Basement pa lang yan mga kapops. Ito yung isa sa pinakamahirap na stage pag naglilipat eh, yung pag-iimpake. So anyway, dyan lang kayo at mag-iimpake muna kami ni Marley. Kasi para matapos na ito lahat at ma-donate na natin sa Value Village. Alright? Let's help because sharing is
caring.
A few moments later.
So na nga mga tops, tingnan mo to, tulong-tulong na to. So, mga apple, humidity, kakaliglig, sumisiksik pa. Yan na yung paunti-unti nating pag-i-impake. Ayan, ito pa papakita ko lang sa inyo sa gitna. Yan, so see, look at that, so many stuff we're gonna donate to Value Village today mga tops. Yan. At akong maglilipat kayo mga tops, ang advice ko lang sa inyo, huwag nyong tapong kung saan saan, ilagay nyo sa tamang lalagyan, like Value Village or landfill or sa mga recycling, because if you throw it out anywhere, it's just like we don't care our country, like those people, you know that some people they throw it out in the ditch or in the national park. I saw someone in the Facebook or in the news that they throw it out their sofa. So it's very unacceptable. So we have like this. See, look at our stuff. We're gonna donate it. We can help people. Yeah, we're gonna help people, and then we can help the environment too because we're not littering. All right. We're not wasting?
Yeah.
See? So, dyan lang muna kayo mga tops at pupunta tayo sa Value Village today and we're gonna donate some stuff there. Alright, and then they're gonna give us how much, Marley?
20% off.
20% if you donate to Value Village. Yeah! Alright mga tops, nandito na tayo sa Value Village. Yun yung mga tops. Yung donation center nila at yung hours in operation pala nila ng mga katrops ay 9 to 9 ang drop off pagka weekdays and 10 to 8 pagka weekends. Yan na, ready na to at ipaparking natin to mga katrops. Alright, stop here and donate here. Rock and roll. Ito na mga katrops, kakatapos natin mag-load dito sa donation center ng Value Village. At binigyan tayo ng 20% discount. Ito na yun, Go. Okay. We have a 20% discount. We're gonna check. Then we gotta check it out what's going on in the Value Village Center. Alright? Come on.
Is gone. Everything is gone.
Everything is gone, yeah, because we donated. So are you happy for yourself because we donated?
No, I want everything.
Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, the Value Village mga katrops. So kung mag-donate kayo dito mga katrops, they will come over here. Over here, see? There's lots of stuff over here mga katrops. There's shoes right there and books, furniture. Yeah. And then clothes. Yeah, so when you donate mga katrops, it's gonna come here. And then somebody will buy it. Then you can help people too. Like for this one, like notebooks, and then like display, candle holders, everything, frames, and then the electronics is that side mga katrops.
Papa,
What?
you use the back so it fits down,
Yeah. Oh.
but it don't fit down.
Yeah. See? Your toys is gonna be here.
That's why
It's over here.
that's
Yeah.
why
This is the toy section, Dan.
that's
Over
why
here.
you're using it, but
Mhm.
the guys go
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, we don't have gas.
That's why it's
So yun mga katrops, ang advice lang sa inyo kung maglilipat kayo ng bahay at marami kayong mga gamit.
that's why it's stupid.
Yeah. Please, huwag kayong magtapon-tapon kung saan-saan. Ilagay nyo kung sa mga recycling. Oh yeah, for the waffles. Yeah, ilagay nyo sa mga recycling or tulad nito, mag-donate kayo sa Value Village or sa thrift store. At least nakatulong pa kayo. So yun, ito yung ukay-ukay namin dito sa Canada. Yan. Yan, mga kortina, mga unan. Yan. So kalong nung pwede nyo i-donate dito sa Value Village. Yan. So hanggang dito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa ating paglilipat mga katrops. Kasi marami pa tayong gagawin eh. Alright, stay tuned and rock and roll. Peace out.